Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's quick WooCommerce tutorial, I will show you how to display product thumbnail on the thank you page and inside the my account view order page. This is very useful if you want customer to visually confirm their order items. And the best part, you do not need any plugin, just one simple code. So navigate to Appearance, Theme File Editor, open the function.php file. By default, WooCommerce only shows product title in the order details. But if you want thumbnail next to each product, we need to use a filter called WooCommerce order item name. So in this case, open the function.php file and paste the following code. Here you can see this is the code. The code is given on the Elementor website, link in the description, and then update the file. And then go to the website and refresh the page, and here you can see the thumbnail is showing fine. This code gets the product from the order item, fetches the thumbnail images, add it before the product name, work on both the thank you page and the order detail page and the my account page. And that's it, a simple snippet that improves your WooCommerce order experience and helps customers quickly identify their purchase item. If you found this helpful, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.